Fired up! Here we are again, another project. This one's orange too. Anyway, this is a 1990 Elan made by Skidoo, and we're going to do a restoration on it and get it ready for a young rider. We're going to start by taking off this this rack right here, custom made rack. I think we'll be getting rid of it. As functional as it was, we won't be using it in the future. Oh, I think I found it. Well, that bolt just broke. That bolt also broke. Yeah, we're on the gimbal today because I'm completely by myself right now. I get my trusted track mat. Just bear with me. Alright. This is my trusty track mat. So the reason we're taking the rack off is we have to remove the seat. And I'm pretty sure we're going to find there's some pretty good rot in this tunnel underneath the seat. Common thing, especially with the age of the machine and the fact that it's a steel tunnel, not aluminum like later models. Well, you can see the condition here. There's still a couple of ants running around underneath. Well, is the base of the seat. Not as bad as I thought actually, but we're gonna get this cleaned up. Get the vacuum. What I did find, however, so if you can see right here, yeah, so that carb, the intake boot for the carb is completely destroyed.